Hey there! Today, we're diving into a common problem that many developers face when working with H2 databases in a Spring Boot project. The problem at hand is the difficulty of inserting data into the database despite successfully creating the necessary table. Frustrating, right? Our main challenge is ensuring that the data insertion occurs after the table has been properly set up. Let's tackle this head-on and get our data flowing smoothly, shall we? Now, let's talk about the solution. The key to resolving this issue lies in tweaking our application.properties file. By setting the properties spring-data-jpa.deferred datasource initialization to true and spring.sql.init.mode to always, we can ensure that our data source initialization is deferred until after Hibernate has created the table. This simple adjustment will allow us to successfully insert data into our H2 database and avoid those pesky empty tables conundrums. Problem solved. In summary, we've addressed the challenge of inserting data into an H2 database in Spring Boot by deferring the data source initialization until after the table creation using the properties spring.jpa.deferred datasource initialization equals true and spring.sql.init.mode equals always. With this tweak, you'll be smoothly adding data to your database in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!